Welcome everyone. So today we will discuss about the reaction between zinc metal and sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Yesterday we discussed the reaction between zinc metal and acid, and we found that hydrogen gas was releasing. We also found one general formula for such chemical reaction, which is when acid reacts with metal, the products will be salt of that metal and hydrogen gas. That means hydrogen gas is common whether in any acid you are selecting or you are taking any of the metal. So you will always find hydrogen gas as common, and this is very important as well. Acid, any acid means you can select strong acid, you can select weak acid like acetic acid, but the but this formula it will remain same. That means hydrogen gas will evolve in such case also. Now activity 2.4, place a few pieces of granulated zinc metal in a test tube. The meaning of granulated zinc metal means zinc granules only, and 2 ml of sodium hydroxide solution and warm the contents of the test tube. Repeat the rest of the steps as in activity 2.3 and record your observations. Now in this case what you have to do, you have to again take zinc granules and you have to add base. Here we are taking sodium hydroxide solution, and we have to warm this reaction mixture also. That means we have to warm the contents of the test tube. This step we were not doing in the previous case when we were taking acid, but this step is necessary when we are taking base. And after this we have to arrange everything in the same manner so that we can do confirmatory test for the gas which is evolving. So our observation will be, when we are doing these steps, then we will find that again bubbles will start forming. And after arranging all those things, if you will test this gas by bringing uh, burning candle near to this gas, you will find that this gas it will burn with a pop sound, which is confirming the presence of hydrogen gas is evolved. So this is about the reaction between zinc metal and sodium hydroxide. So the reaction here it is given also. The reaction that takes place can be written as follows. When sodium hydroxide it reacts with zinc metal, it is forming sodium zincate, which is a salt, although it's a different salt, um, and hydrogen gas. So you again find that hydrogen is formed in the reaction. However, such reactions are not possible with all metals. This line or this statement is very important. That means such reaction it is not possible with every metal. This reaction you can perform by taking zinc as a metal or by taking aluminium also, but not all the metals they are showing such reaction with base. But almost all the metals which is lying above the hydrogen in the reactivity series, they are reacting with acid, and they are and in that case hydrogen gas is evolving. But this is not possible with all metals when you are taking base instead of acid. So please do remember this. And also you learn this equation of reaction of zinc metal with sodium hydroxide base. You learn this, especially the product which is sodium zincate. It is very important. Thank you.